Shocking news, Fan Zhendong is not selected for ITTF World Cup 2025. China announces squad for 2025 Macau Table Tennis World Cup. Following the conclusion of the WTT Chongqing Champions Tournament, the Chinese Table Tennis Association has officially announced its squad for the 2025 ITTF Men's and Women's World Cup in Macau. Men's singles, Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, Liang Jingkun, Lin Gaoyuan, Huang Yuzheng. Women's singles, Sun Yingsha, Wang Manyu, Wang Yidi, Chen Xingtong, Kuai Man. The team leader of the Chinese national team, He Xiao, emphasized the significance of the event, stating, "The World Cup is a traditional ITTF competition and one of the most important international events in the first half of the year. The association and the team place great importance on this tournament. Players are invited based on specific criteria, including previous World Championships and World Youth Championships winners, as well as continental qualifiers and ITTF World Rankings." For the Macau World Cup, the Chinese men's team initially secured 6 invitations: Fan Zhendong, Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, Liang Jingkun, Lin Gaoyuan, and Huang Yuzheng. Meanwhile, the women's team received 5 invitations: Sun Yingsha, Wang Manyu, Wang Yidi, Chen Xingtong, and Kuai Man. He Xiao further explained the selection process. Fan Zhendong qualified as the 2023 world champion, while Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, and Liang Jingkun qualified through continental rankings. Huang Yuzheng earned his spot as the 2024 World Youth U19 champion, and Lin Gaoyuan secured his place via world ranking. In the women's team, Sun Yingsha entered as the 2023 world champion, with Wang Manyu, Wang Yidi, Chen Xingtong, and Kuai Man qualifying through continental rankings. After receiving invitations, we consulted each player individually regarding their participation. Fan Zhendong, considering his personal situation, decided to withdraw from the tournament, a decision we fully respect. The association has confirmed the participation of the other selected players with the ITTF. Men's team coach Wang Hao's insights. Head coach Wang Hao commented on the team's recent performances. The overall condition of the team has been stable. Wang Chuqin has been in excellent form, winning both the Asian Cup and the WTT Chongqing Champions Tournament since the 2023 Grand Finals. His mental and psychological state has improved significantly. Liang Jingkun also performed well, reaching the final of the Asian Cup and showing resilience despite an injury in Chongqing, where he finished in the top 4. His fighting spirit has greatly improved, which is commendable. Lin Shidong, as a young player, has been going through ups and downs due to the demanding competition schedule, but this is part of his development process. Other young players are also gaining valuable experience, with mixed results, but our goal is to help them grow quickly. Regarding Fan Zhendong's withdrawal, Wang Hao added, "The team has maintained close communication with him and respects his decision based on his current condition." Women's team coach Ma Lin's expectations. The women's head coach Ma Lin is optimistic about his team's prospects. Since entering 2025, the women's team has performed exceptionally well. We dominated the Singapore Smash, the Asian Cup, and the Chongqing Champions Tournament, consistently securing the top 4 positions. He highlighted key performances. Sun Yingsha won both the Singapore Smash and Chongqing Champions Tournament. Wang Manyu claimed the Asian Cup title, and Kuai Man reached the final of the Singapore Smash, showcasing her potential. Wang Yidi and Chen Xingtong have also been in outstanding form, frequently defeating Japan's top players. The 5 selected players are currently the most stable in international competitions. We must maintain our momentum and enter the World Cup in our best condition, aiming for the best possible results. As the last major event before the Doha World Championships, both coaches hope their players will give their all in Macau. Wang Hao stated, "None of our players have won a World Cup singles title before, so they are all hungry for this championship. I hope they can show their best competitive form and break new ground." With China's dominance in international table tennis, all eyes will be on Macau to see if the Chinese team can once again assert its superiority on the global stage.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.